Hi Sir Reid.
Hello.
Hi po, hi po.
Hi,
Nice to meet you, sir.
I'm
Nice to meet
Reid
you.
Motovlog and what's your name? What's your name?
Naj po, Naj Abdul po.
Nice to
Naj
meet you,
Abdul.
Naj.
Napanood ko ng video mo, sir. Magandang video
Oh,
mo,
you
sir.
can speak Tagalog pala. I thought you were English.
Hindi, Tagalog tayo, sir. Pilipinas,
okay.
dito, di ba? So, Tagalog lang tayo. So,
Okay.
sir, bakit kayo dito, sir? May Ducati kayo, sir?
Ganun din tatanong ko sa'yo. Why are you here?
May bagong Ducati na ako, sir.
You have Ducati?
Oh.
You have Ducati? I
Yes,
have
yes.
Dakari.
May Ducati kayo, sir?
Yeah, I have Dakari.
You have a Ducati?
Over there. Over there.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
Sir, nice to meet you. Idol kita, sir. Idol kita, sir.
Idol you too. Idol you too.
Bro, kilala mo ito? Si ano napanood mo ng video? Sabi mo yung dati, magaling na video. Ito yun. Si Sarit. Sarit from Pampanga.
Ay, salamat po.
Ako, wala.
Bro, I have water. I'm sorry. I'm special guest here. How about you here?
Di ba ganun talaga, guys?
Just an ordinary customer now eh.
Read lang, malakas. Good morning, guys. Assalamualaikum. Actually, I am here in CIS. As you can see here, so many bikes are lined up. Today is something actually very different from any other day. Today is the day they are having a Ducati track day. So here is our Ducati Pada. Here is our malupit na Ducati mechanics here. Yan, no? Yan, yung isa. Here is Rally. Bro,
Yes, sir.
what are we going to do today?
We are doing a regular track day. We do it once a month. We are just doing a friendly track day. Nothing serious.
Nothing fancy.
Nothing fancy. You just go out on your own and just enjoy.
So we usually do every month Ducati track days.
We do. It's a Ducati Owners Club
Okay.
Philippines monthly track day, and we do it like on the first or second Thursday of the month.
Okay. So if ever they are having a Ducatis, they can join that club and they can just.
Any Ducati owners, they can join this once a month track day.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. So here is
You
Riley,
just gotta
guys.
take care of your track fees, and we take care of the rest.
Okay. You just take care of your track fee and the rest they will take care of the paddock and the mechanics and
we have coaches who will teach you the lines, whatever.
Yeah. Libre
It's fun,
guys.
it's fun. It's very friendly. It's a friendly track day.
Yeah, bili kayo ng Ducati para libreng libreng track day.
Thank you, Nag.
Yeah. Here is our paddock.
Not yet.
Troy is here, guys. Coach Troy is here and he going to give some ideas for our riders for today. Diba, Troy?
I'll help Naj.
Yeah.
You will go faster than TJ.
No. I cannot. Yeah. So here is the paddock. Here is race bikes. Yeah. Here is our chief mechanic here.
Hello,
Yes. Good morning, Kuya. Chief mechanic, guys. Always with the TJ and everywhere when they go for a race. Yeah, here is mga malupit here. So this is a Ducati paddock. Kunding marami na mga items dito, guys. So let them do the track. So here is Ma'am Rizzi is here from Ducati. Hi, Ma'am. Good morning.
Morning. Morning.
Good morning, Sir Toti.
Yes, sir.
So sabi ni Rally, so every month we will make a track day for our Ducati owners, di ba?
Yes, sir. Like you. You're a Ducati owner,
Yeah.
so you can enjoy the track.
Yeah, so if ever you buying a Ducati, you can just go to the chat room or the Facebook page.
Yes.
And they will put you on the chat room. Then they will schedule for the track days, di ba, sir?
Yeah. If you're already an owner,
Yeah.
or if you're a present owner and you're not part of any of the chat group, of course we will include you.
Okay.
You just go to your nearest dealer and then they will include you.
Yeah, you go to the nearest dealer and they will put you on the chat room. Sir Toti is here and he going to teach some of the riders here for today, guys. And here is one of our good friend here.
Hello.
Big Bike Ride here, guys. Please share and like his Facebook page. The Big Bike Ride. Support natin ang mga vlogger natin, di ba, brother,
Kamusta?
dito?
Oo naman.
Support natin dito.
Thank you.
No problem,
Always
big bike rider
ride
guys
smart,
here.
ride safe, aral kayo.
Huwag kayo
Gear
ng
up.
kamote.
Huwag kamote. Always gear up. Sabi nga ni Nads. Kahit gaano kalapit yan. Gear.
Talaga.
Helmet, lahat yan. Nirespeto.
Ma'am Rizzi is here. She is our manager in Ducati. So she is here with us for today. And she is taking care of all your needs. Di ba, ma'am?
Everything.
If ever you wanted to book the Ducati, you may contact Ma'am Rizzi. She is the one is ordering the Ducati, guys. Yeah. She is connected to Italy. Yes. Thank you, ma'am. So let's go and see our mga riders natin dito for today. So there are so many bikes are coming and there are so many of them there also. Let's go and see how they doing today. Hi sir. So let's go. Let's see how they perform, and because I want to ask them how they do the track days. After I will ask them the experience and everything. So here is Multistrada Enduro. Yeah, here is malapit na mechanic natin dito, guys. Yeah. B4S, SP. You will be seeing this one on my channel soon, guys. So here is Monster. Here is Scrambler. Ito yung mga riders natin.
Halika.
Hi sir, good morning.
Hello.
Yeah, here is our sir for track day. So check natin. Hi ma'am. So here is so Ducati boys. Hi sir, good morning. Morning sir. Morning. So they will be doing the track day for today, and I will ask them how's the experience and everything in a while, guys. So here is magutom-gutom na mga coach natin dito. Coach Philip is here, guys. Yeah, okay lang. Gutom yata si coach, oh.
Sobra.
Huh?
Magagising eh.
Yeah, guys, coach is one of the guy who actually going to guide you when you're doing the Ducati track days, and he's an amazing guy, guys. Not only this Ducati track day, he has another school called DRE, that is a Ducati connected school. If you are joined that one, that is something different from the track, di ba coach?
Yeah, the Ducati Riding Academy is for safety level 1 and 2, and it's designed for both advanced and at the same time beginners rin. So
Yeah, beginners.
doesn't matter, as long as you can ride a bicycle, you can join the
Yeah,
Ducati
kahit na kayo, hindi kayo na marunong ng mga motorcycle niyan. Just you enroll the DRE and they will take care of it. If you want a more advanced, you can go for Alberto race training.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
Here is Coach Philip, guys. Thank you, Coach. Thank you, Coach. Nice to see you
Lunch.
again.
Kain tayo, lunch.
Yeah, tapos na ako eh.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you. I'll see you in a while, guys. Let me go around and check how they are doing, and there are so many things happening for today. So I came here, not only the track day they are doing, I just want to ask them what's the experience, what they get from these coaches. If you are a Ducati owner, you can just join. They will take care of it, everything. They will make you a good rider. That is one of the best thing from Ducati. So mga Ducati boys going out now. So following by our coach Joy. Enjoy kayo sir, enjoy. Yeah, helmet sir, helmet. Yeah. Gandang helmet ko. Kulay na kulay, oh. Tingnan nyo guys. Yun oh. Ganda. Oh, ano meron dito si Reed? Oh, ano gawa mo? Ano gawa mo? Uy, may suit pa pala. Alam niyo yan guys, una-una pasok siya sa racetrack. Sino kasama mo sa racetrack? Una-una pasok sa racetrack. Pero sino yung coach mo dyan?
Let's jump.
Yan na guys, he's going to use this bike. Ay, hindi. He's going to use the bike. And sana all my Shoei. Yun na. Oh, sana all Shoei X14. Yun no. Yan. Enjoy! Oh, on ko na. Okay. Yan na, yun guys. Yeah boys, Troy's with the Kawasaki Ninja 400. Yan. So, he will be racing with the Kawasaki Ninja 400 in international guys here. Bro, school mo? Ano school yan?
Tofu Track Riding Clinic for
Yeah.
basic track riding skills.
Yes. For the fundamental, if you are a beginner, just enroll.
Yes, let's go.
Yeah. Kamusta na yung experience mo?
Ayos naman.
Ha?
Lamig yung panahon.
Oo.
Hindi mainit. Presko.
Hindi, mainit na. Tanong natin mga Ducati boys here. Oh, kamusta ng track day mo?
Okay lang po.
Ha? Enjoy ka?
Opo. Serpas
Enjoy.
po yung Ducati, Kawasaki po yung sa akin.
Oh, okay na yan. As long as, as long as dito ka sa Ducati track day, you are in the Ducati track day. Oh, kamusta ng Fox experience mo?
Okay naman po. First time, lakas ng adrenaline.
Oh, ganun talaga dapat, hindi sa kalsada. Di ba dapat dito? Ikaw bro, kamusta ng experience?
Sarap na nakaka-excite na nakakapatin pero enjoy sobra.
Oh, nice, nice. Ikaw sir?
Ayos.
Oh,
Masarap. Iba yung experience dito.
Oh, iba eh. Mga isa-isang ride na meron kayo ng mga technique na pasok-pasok mo na lang para gamitin natin sa kalsada.
kalye.
Di ba?
Yun nga.
Ayun ang mas safe. Hindi lang puro kalye-kalye na mga testing ng skills.
Mahirap
Walang,
dun eh.
walang kwenta yan. Semblang talaga yan. Di ba?
Delikado.
Dapat dito sa racetrack. Di ba sir?
Ayos.
Yes sir. Oh. Dito mga idol natin. Tingnan natin ang ano. Oh. Bro, pawis-pawis ka. Kamusta ng experience mo sa...
Good.
Enjoy?
Enjoy. Always.
Yeah, always sa racetrack yan bro. Ito sir, hindi kayo na racetrack. Racetrack ka rin sir, racetrack ka rin. Ganda dito. Ayan, tingnan natin. Bro, kamusta ng Ducati track experience?
Ayos, malinis pa rin yung pad.
Okay na yan. Wag mo na lang push. Step by step tayo, di ba coach?
Yes,
That
sir.
is what we do here.
Ride within your limits.
Yeah, and we
and step by step improve.
yes, that is how it is. You're not going to be one day become a racer.
Correct.
It's a more big process. So you have to do everything by step, di ba sir?
Correct.
So also, don't do it in the kalsada.
Correct.
Come here. And coach Philip will be here to guide you through.
Thank you, sir.
So, here is. Oh. Pingoy, lagi ka sa racetrack eh. Hindi ko na kailangan ng tanong eh. Pero tanong ko.
Regular yan,
Regular yan. Kamusta ang track experience today?
Saya.
Ha?
Saya. Kailangan to talaga every month.
Every month, di ba? Oh, Pingoy guys here. So, tingnan natin mga iba.
Diba, you're
Oh,
turning in a bit.
sir. Oh, ano sir? Kamusta na ang experience?
The best.
Ha?
The best.
Enjoy ka sir?
Sobra.
Yan. Ikaw sir?
Nakagutom.
Ha? Nagutom na agad? Gutom na agad, oh. Ikaw sir, kamusta na ang experience ng Ducati Track Day?
Okay naman.
Masaya?
Sulit
Di ba? Dapat dito tayo sa racetrack, di ba?
Dapat sana, no?
Sana
regular.
Regular. Every week dito kayo. So, yan. Mga foods from Ducati Philippines, guys. Yan, mamaya na. So, I will ask Reed na experience na mga Street Fighter. Di ba bro, last time nagamit mo yung ibang brand, di ba? Ngayon, nagamit mo yung Street Fighter mo. Kamusta ng yung handling ng yung Street Fighter sa racetrack?
Magaan yung race Street Fighter. Parang hindi big bike.
Parang
Kaya
bicycle.
Pag nilin mo, lilin talaga.
Oh, di
Hindi
ba?
mo malaban yung bigat niya.
Oh.
Wala, magaan talaga siya. Full tank pa yan pero magaan.
Magaan talaga ng Street Fighter. Tapos powerful talaga.
Oh, powerful.
Tapos lahat na mga electronics, grabe no?
Oo, maiwan yung katawan mo dito eh. Bilis eh.
So guys, you will see him later. I will guide him something techniques. Or he going to need drag this one later. Hintayin nyo na lang guys.
Mali nga
Mamaya, hintayin nyo na lang ito. Hindi, wag na dito. Akala ko, lagay mo dito. Nagaskasin mo dito.
Mali yung angle.
Okay na yan, kahit saan. Oh, yan. Oh, yan ha. Nidrag na. Oh. Yun, no?
Pwede.
Oh, pwede. Pwede na. So guys, mamaya, Raid going to Nidrag, I will guide him some techniques. So step by step. Yan, no?